Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. We're taking a look here at the structure, any changes, any updates. So far, the market is caught, or MATIC is caught in this current ongoing correction. We had pretty good day for crypto. Well, yesterday now, it's after midnight. So pretty good day for MATIC yesterday, but for the crypto market. But MATIC didn't really do much. So it's caught in this ongoing correction. So I have no evidence that this correction is over. Pretty deep pullback now, pretty significant fourth wave now, size-wise, probably twice the size of this wave 2 in terms of length as well, I mean duration. So for anybody who's new on the channel, what we are focusing on here is this possible 5-wave pattern, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. Yeah, and the wave 4 could have finished here, which was the low that was made on the 21st of November at around 72 cents. But it's just not very evident, especially because afterwards the market hasn't really performed very well. So I have to assume that this fourth wave is still unfolding, or at least consider it with high likelihood. So yeah, the wave 4 could be done already, but then it would need to turn to the upside right now. So it could be rather that this was just the A wave of the fourth wave. We then moved up in the B wave, which peaked at around 95, 96 cents. That was here around the 8th of December, 9th of December. And now we're coming down in this C wave. And typically in these corrections, what you see is that the C wave ends below the low of the A wave. And before then, this fifth wave is actually unfolding. So that's the pattern I'm tracking primarily. For this pattern, still the 64 cent level is the key support. We've got support at 70 cents as well. That's a very reliable one. Below that, only the golden ratio left. It's not such a reliable support level, but for a diagonal, still acceptable for a fourth wave. I mean, it is a relevant Fibonacci retracement. It's just for a fourth wave, not really. But in a diagonal, absolutely acceptable. Looking here at the structure as well, we can see the descending price channel I put onto the chart a few days ago, just by connecting waves, the B wave top and the third wave top, and then adding a parallel trend line down here to see if that C wave, if it hits that level, it's going to react. So pay attention to that level around the 50% Fib level. As I said, it's a reliable support level. And it's also, if I take the measurement, the projections, right, for the C wave target. So I take the length of the A wave, go to the high of the B wave, and the key target is the 100% extension. That's at 69 cents. So there's a good overlap, good confluence between Fibonacci levels. If we look at the microstructure, that is not exactly very reliable. But I think there is one more low missing. So in the C wave, we're looking at 5 waves. I think we've got a wave 1 here. We've got a wave 2. This is a little unclear, but I think a third probably finished here. Wave 4 could still be in the making, and one more low could occur in wave 5. Now, this is micro counting, not so reliable. Many distortions, but one more low, I would say, is still... it's still on the agenda at least, so it would look better with one more low. Yeah, I mean, it could even be the third wave is still unfolding. Very, very, from a Fibonacci point of view. I mean, from a wave count point of view, the third is probably done, or could be done. Fibonacci-wise, the third here reached only the 1.236 extension of the wave 1. Very, very much the minimal target. So ideally, maybe even one more low in wave 3, then a 4, then a 5. But it doesn't look finished yet. It could always bottom in a WXY structure. So far, it's a 3-wave move down. But from this area, somewhere in this orange box, ideally, we're looking for a reversal and a 5th wave rally to $1.10 plus. Below 64 cents, I lose trust in this yellow wave count. And we are probably looking at a much deeper pullback in a C wave down, but let's first see if we get a reaction from this support area. That's my update about MATIC. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.